Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sia, and yeah, like I know I've been MIA, but no buts. It's a very silly reason why I haven't uploaded is because I've been lazy, not gonna lie. And more than that, I honestly don't know what to upload anymore cause I don't know what kind of videos you guys wanna see, and like I try to film like a day in my life video, but I really suck at vlogging and my life is like pretty boring. For today's video, I thought that I'll share my August favorites with you guys. These videos used to be like such amazing videos, like they used to be so trending back in the day, like in 2018-19. I used to really love watching those. So yeah, also please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see, because I honestly have no clue what to upload. And if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have like three categories, which is like makeup, skincare, and then random stuff, like random things I've been obsessed with. We're gonna start with makeup because I love makeup. Yeah, also I'm sorry for the hand movements. I'm actually nervous. So the first product I have is this one. This is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. It's a really good primer, especially if you have like oily skin. And if you like those silicone gel based primer, this one is really good. It's really affordable as well. And like a little goes a long way. Like my makeup has started looking so smooth after using this primer. So I highly recommend it. Guys, for the next product I have this. This is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Now guys, let me tell you this. I have struggled with finding the perfect shade for my skin tone for the longest time, because like the shades used to be either too fair for my skin tone or like too dark for my skin tone. Never had like the perfect foundation shade, but I came up across this foundation. I have heard a lot of YouTubers talk about it, and I've been using it for like 15 days now. Like August, May, I used it during Ganpati, and let me tell you, it's really amazing. It matches your skin so perfectly. Also, like this is like a medium to high coverage foundation, so you can build up to a high coverage, but if you want medium coverage, apply a thin layer of it and it would look amazing. Like I have the foundation on my skin right now, and you can still see like some dark spots because I did not want a full coverage thing. Like I wanted it to look natural. But yeah, I really love this foundation. I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a new foundation, go for this. It's amazing. Next I have the Miss Claire Baked Powder Duo. It's just a baked highlighter. It has this golden and rose gold shade. My mom bought this for herself, but I actually saw it and I really liked it. And it's an amazing highlighter. Like I have it on my skin right now, and you guys can see it's like it gives you like a natural glow. And yeah, it's like amazing. I highly recommend it. I think so this is like very affordable as well. I don't know its price, but I know for a fact that Miss Claire is a very affordable brand. So moving on guys, for skincare I have these two products. These are the Pond's moisturizer. If you are looking for a moisturizer, like for a face moisturizer at a very affordable range which actually works, try these out. They are amazing. Now this one is like gel based, so this is really good for people who have like oily skin because it will just mattify your face. And this one is really good for people with dry skin, but I feel like both dry skin and oily skin people can use either one of these. I use them both. I like to use this one throughout the day because it's like very light and it's gel based, so like when you sweat it doesn't show up, like your face doesn't become oily. And I like to use this one at night because it gives you like more intense moisturization, if that makes sense. Just my best friend recently used this and she was in love with it. Like she ordered it for herself. So yeah, two products are really good. Random stuff. My first product is this one. This is a candle. I've shown this candle so many times, honestly, I feel like. Or not. I showed the other one. Yeah, I showed the other one. But this is the Bath and Body Works candle in the fragrance rose, and oh my god, I love this. Like honestly guys, if you know me in person, I don't like rose scented anything, but this has a very different scent and it's like amazing. Like yeah, it's just amazing. So guys, if the angle has changed, I'm sorry because my phone fell down, so I don't know if the angle is same or not. But moving on, for my favorite song, I have been obsessed with Lucid Dreams for the longest period of time now. I love that song so much. If you're a close friend of mine, you know how obsessed I am with that song. So yeah, Lucid Dream by Juice WRLD. I recently heard Wishing Well again by Juice WRLD. It's again amazing. I cannot speak. I'm sorry. It's again amazing. And yeah, the third one is Dynamite by BTS. If you are into rock and disco kind of music, you would love that song. And it's a all English songs. Like there are no Korean lyrics in it. So yeah. For my favorite series, I would say my favorite series has definitely been Dynasty. I have binged that series completely in the first half of August. If you love family drama or like drama in general, you would love that series. And I would also say Outer Banks. I finished watching Outer Banks. It's good. Not gonna lie, it's good, but like it gets boring at the end. Like it becomes slow. So yeah, that's the only bad part about it. But otherwise, it's a good series if you love mystery. And for movie, I would say actually Harry Potter because I binged Harry Potter right from the first movie to the last, and yeah, I'm obsessed with it because I watched those movie. I really want to read Harry Potter books. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I didn't bore you out. But yeah, if you like this video, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, let me know if I should do this monthly because I really enjoyed filming this video. And please let me know in the comments below like what kind of video should I upload because I actually really loved filming today. It was very fun. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, enjoy, bye.